Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Achievers Adda. So this will be a new topic in UGC NET paper 1, logical reasoning, that is unit number 6. The topic is related to increasing extension, decreasing extension, increasing intention and decreasing intention. This topic is part of the connotation and denotation which is coming under the deductive and inductive reasoning of logical reasoning. So I will be explaining this the new concepts. I think you might have seen the questions like this in the recent examination, whether it is December 2023 or June 2023, you might have experienced the questions like this. Like arrange the order in a decreasing connotation or else increasing denotation, like this. The questions you might have experienced, and decreasing extension. All these questions will get solved if you understand this concept called as an increasing intention and decreasing extension. All these things I will explain just at 10 minutes of time. Okay. So let us so here if you look at those who belong to if you are preparing for UGC NET examination, do join into the Telegram group, or if you are preparing for APPSC, WhatsApp group is available, and if you are preparing for Telangana set WhatsApp group is available, and if you are preparing for JLDL Commerce examination of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, you can join into the Commerce group from the link given in the description of this session. And also, if you are preparing for UGC NET examination, Lakshya batch UGC NET is going on for the paper 1 in commerce. You can join into this course, complete course of paper 1 and paper 2 commerce, all the component classes, PDF material, test series, quizzes, previous year question course, everything will be under one roof for both papers at a 6199. If you want only a single paper, you can take 3599 under this. So it will be having 6 months validity. And if you are preparing for set examination, APR Telangana set, combo course is available, paper 1 in both the languages and paper 2 only in English language. You can take this at a 3499. And here, if you are going for only a single paper which is bilingual explanation Telugu and English, it is at a 1999 only. Okay, now let's start the topic. First of all, we should understand denotation and connotation. Denotation means, generally other name of denotation is extension. Other name of connotation is intention. See, denotation refers to the dictionary meaning. Denotation refers to the dictionary meaning. Whereas connotation refers to emotional meaning. Dictionary meaning, if you type something in the dictionary, whatever the definition comes, that is called as a denotation, which is an extension. And here, what actually the word refers to. Whereas in connotation, how words are making us to feel, means here emotion we are adding it. That we call it as a intention or a connotation. Right? This is more objective and everywhere it is common, which means universal. Dictionary meaning is everywhere, whether it is in India or other country, it is same meaning. Whereas this is more subjective and context oriented. Meaning will be changing from context to context as well as situation to situation in this. That's why the connotation will be a part of intention, which is more of emotional definition, will be adding the feelings to it. If you look at the meanings with this example, the term denote means which signifies something. Shoes means all shoes. Knife means all type of knives. Love means no denotation here. And here all shoes. The same thing, shoes in the connotative definition. A stiff outer covering the foot means it is covering the foot is called as an, whichever is covering the foot is called as a shoe. Whereas knife is an instrument for cutting. That is a connotative. We are adding the feeling to it. Cutting is a feeling or cutting is an emotion. Or else covering the foot, which we are adding emotion, or as per the situation we are taking the meaning. That's called as a connotation. Right? And here, now what do you mean by extension and intention? Extension means the meaning extends to whole group. Extension means the meaning will be extended to whole group. Like extension instead denotation, intention instead connotation refers to a class or a group. It refers to a class or it refers to a group. A class, see in one of the big group, UGC NET is a big group. In that commerce is a subgroup. UGC NET is a big class. Commerce is a subclass. Under the commerce, paper 1 is one of the class. Paper 2 is one class. Under the paper 1, teaching aptitude is subclass. Research aptitude is subclass. Like that, when we are going on a broader to the narrow down approach, we call it as a subgroups or subclasses. So a class may be subclasses, that may be subclasses, and so on. We have seen. We call that as an extension. When we are taking UGC NET commerce, in the commerce paper 1 and paper 2, in paper 1 teaching aptitude, in teaching aptitude evaluation system. Like this, from a broader to narrow approach. From a whole group to small part of the group. That is extension, means extending the meaning to a whole group. Whereas intention means ulta. Intention means some of the quality. When we take the quality into consideration, the emotion into consideration, when we are attributing to a contextual quality, that is called as intention. So here the scope of application, the term is to all the members of the class. Means the meaning which we are attributing as a quality will be attached to all the terms here. Now the extension and intention is clear, denotation, connotation is clear. Look at the wording. Inverse. Extension increases means it is covering more classes. Means UGC NET, paper, commerce paper 1 and paper 2 commerce, in paper 1 teaching aptitude. Means extension is increasing. This is say when intention decreases. Either you call it as extension is increasing, it is same as intention is decreasing. So extension increases or intention decreases, both are one and the same meaning. I will tell you exact meaning also with an example as per the question given. Or else if extension is decreased, then it indicates intention is increases. This is the inverse relationship between the extension increases, intention decreases, intention increases, extension decreases. Right? And here, same way, if intention increases, extension decreases. If intention decreases, extension increases. You are not understanding with this type of analogy without example. I will put the same thing in example form. You try to look at this. This is a static example generally. Suppose a denotation is the 3 billion group, 1.5 billion, 1 billion, 200 million and 60 million. So 60 million, 200 million, 1.1, 300 means broader to narrow approach, broader, highest to lowest, like a deductive approach. And the term is Asian. Asia is a sum of Asian countries. India is one of the Asian country. South India is there, like Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. These are South India. And Kannadiga is the one state in South. So Asian, India, South Indian, Kannada. Now here, a person to be called as an Asian, he has to satisfy two things. He must be a human being, right? And he must be a permanent resident within the geographical boundaries of Asia. In Asia, he can be India also, he can be any other country also, Sri Lanka also, Pakistan also. Possible, na? So therefore, for this connotation means the quality meaning is we assigned as 2. For Asian, we assigned as a 2. Quality we attributed as 2. Now, the population of Asia is approximately 3 billion, which is highest. Okay, same. Therefore, denotation of the Asian is 3 billion. Denotation is 3 billion, whereas connotation is 2. Based on the numbers, we are trying to understand the concept. And here, Indian constitute a subclass of Asian. Correct now? Indians are subpart of the Asian. Therefore, population of India must be naturally less than Asia, na? Population will be less than Asia. So that is why 3 billion to 1.5 billion only. Now, right, it will be obviously less only because this is more, this is less. And again, an Indian is not only a human living in Asia, but also possess an additional connotation. Means the quality will be increasing here. Because whenever denotation is increasing, quality will be keep on increasing. Like that, if you go, when if it is South Indian, again population will be coming down to 200 million only. So it will be sub part of the India. That is why connotation is increasing. When denotation is decreasing, connotation will increases. Right? When the subclass is getting narrowed down in the denotation, here connotation will be increasing its number. So here the same case will be repeated total if you can understand the concept. That is what we generally understood as an, or will generally understand as an intention extension, which is increasing and decreasing. And more example here, increasing intention. Look at animal, mammal, feline, tiger. Animal is a big group. It includes a tiger or the lion. Various animals will be there. So animal is a big group. In that, mammal is there. And under the mammal, feline is one of the category of mammal. Feline is nothing but who are having this in front of the mouth. It will be there, na? That one we call it as a feline. So tiger is one of the feline. Tiger, lion, cat, all these are. So like that, we are trying to make as a quality wise. This is based on the quality. We are trying to increase based on the quality. Increasing intention. Increasing intention or decreasing extension, both are same. Look at decreasing extension, both are same. Animal, mammal, feline. Whereas increasing extension, look at increasing extension means part to whole, which is inductive approach. Tiger is part of the feline, feline is part of the mammal, mammal is part of the animal. So increasing extension or decreasing intention, both are same. Tiger, feline, mammal, animal. Now is it more clear? Is it more clear? Chalo. Answer this question. Arrange the following group of terms in the decreasing extension. Decreasing extension means decreasing extension or increasing intention, both are same. Whole to part. Whole to part. Please answer. Same example, whatever I given the example as it is there. So decreasing extension means whole. Animal first, later mammal, later feline, later tiger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which means BA, BA, DC. BA, DC will be the appropriate, that is answer 4. That's it, simple. Now another question, these are 2023 questions we are doing. Increasing denotation. Increasing denotation. Answer. Increasing denotation. Increasing denotation is nothing but decreasing intention. Right? So go back and check. Here with the same. Increasing intention, which means animal, mammal, feline. But the question is about increasing extension, which is denotation means extension, na? So that is why increasing extension is a question particular to whole. Question is about increasing denotation means increasing extension, which means decreasing intention. So from cow to bovine, mammal, and vertebrate as well as animal. From cow is the one part of the bovine. Like that it will be coming from particular to animal is a type, broader category. Now increasing connotation. Increasing connotation means increasing intension or else decreasing extension. Very simple. If you know the concept, you will be playing the game. Previously, when it is increasing denotation, part to whole. Now it is whole to part, ulta. Whole to part. What will be the correct answer? For this was the previous answer now. Quite opposite will be this only, right? Animal, vertebrate and mammal and cow. So this is deductive process. Whole to or else general to particular. That's it, answer is D. So these are the questions to be solved. I hope you got the clarity. This is a new concept. You understood, and if you want more type of this session, please do hit a like button and do not forget to share with your friends. Do join in our Telegram group and WhatsApp group according to your exam preference. Thank you so much. Bye to all. Have a great day.